Okay, in this video we're going to look at a slightly more complicated example of rationalising the denominator, and we're going to use exactly the same method as before of multiplying our fraction by 1. So I've got my 2 over 4 plus root 3, and I'm going to be multiplying that by 1. Now in this case I am choosing 1 to be 4 minus root 3 over 4 minus root 3. The reason for me choosing this is so that when I multiply the two denominators together I will get a number that does not include any surds. Okay, and you'll see that happen. So first of all I'm going to deal with the top. Okay, so we've got 2 times 4 minus root 3, okay, which is going to be equal to 2 times 4 is 8, and 2 times minus root 3 is minus 2 root 3. So that is what will be going on the top of my fraction. On the bottom, okay, I've got 4 plus root 3 times 4 minus root 3. So this is a double bracket that we need to multiply out. Now, depending on which method you know how to use and which one you're more comfortable with using, okay, you might use FOIL, you might use a grid. What we've got is 4 times 4 gets me 16. 4 times minus root 3 is minus 4 root 3. And then I've got root 3 times 4, so that's plus 4 times root 3. And I've got the root 3 times minus root 3. So I get a negative 3 on the end. So if I simplify this and brush this up a little, we've got the 16 take away 3, which gets me the 13. And conveniently, my minus 4 root 3 plus 4 root 3 is 0. So these two cancel each other out. Notice I've been left with something that isn't a surd. That was the whole point of multiplying both top and bottom by 4 minus root 3. Okay, so what I'm eventually going to get then, my final answer, is 8 minus 2 root 3 on the top of the fraction and 13 on the bottom. Okay, which you can then write as 8 over 13 take away 2 over 13 root 3. Okay, because some exam questions like you to write it in the form P plus QR. Okay, so P would be your 8 over 13. Your Q would be minus 2/13, and R in this case would be 3.